Imagine yourself in this 2008 Audi R8. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle's top features include dry sump lubrication, Quattro permanent all-wheel drive system, Audi magnetic ride adaptive damping system, 4-wheel vented disc brakes, dual twin exhaust, toolkit, tone-and-tone side blades, aluminum fuel filler door indoor cells, single-frame high-gloss black grille and LED brake lights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.